Next, find all the points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by. Sixth question, f of x equals to 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So that means for this function at x is equals to 2, we need to discuss the discontinuity of function. So f of x is equals to, at x is equals to 2, the function is 2x plus 3. Then you find f of 2. F of 2 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. F of 2 is 7. Right? Next, limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x. Why we are finding left hand or right hand limit? Because it is defined x less than 2, x greater than 2. If it is they define x less than a, if x greater than a, we need to find left hand limit, right hand limit at x is equals to a. Otherwise, we are finding direct limit. So many times I told, again you remember this. So limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x. 2 minus means from 2 we are subtracting some small value. That means x is less than 2. X is less than 2. F of x is 2x plus 3. So that is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3, 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 7. Next, limit x tends to 2 plus of f of x. That is limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means x is greater than 2. When x is greater than 2, f of x is 2x minus 3. That is 2 into 2 minus 3, 4 minus 3, that is equals to 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x is 7. This is 1. 7 is not equals to 1. So, is not equals to limit x tends to 2 plus of f of x. Therefore, f is discontinuous. At x is equals to 2. Understood? Like this we are finding. Next to question number 7. Question number 7, you see, f of x is equals to mod x plus 3 if x is less than or equals to minus 3. Next to f of x is equals to minus 2x if minus 3 less than x less than 3. 6x plus 2 if x greater than or equals to 3. Like that they differ. Now we need to check the continuity at x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 3 also. F of x is equals to, at x is equals to minus 3, f of x is equals to mod x plus 3. Now f of minus 3 is equals to modulus of minus 3 plus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, which is f of minus 3 is equals to. Now limit x tends to minus 3 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to minus 3 negative. Is x tends to minus 3 minus, that means x is less than minus 3. X less than minus 3, the function defined as mod x plus 3. And this is equals to modulus of minus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6, which is limit x is tends to minus 3 minus of f of x. Now limit x tends to minus 3 plus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to minus 3 plus of f of x is equals to minus 3 plus. Minus 3 plus means x is greater than minus 3. X greater than minus 3. Minus 3 less than x or x greater than minus 3. The function is minus 2x. So you substitute now. Minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. Now therefore limit x tends to minus 3 minus half f of x is equals to limit x tends to minus 3 plus of f of x is equals to f of minus 3, because all are 6 only, all are equal. Therefore f is continuous. F is continuous at x is equals to minus 3 is the answer. So at minus 3 already we calculated. Now at 3 we need to calculate. We need to check the discontinuity. We need to check at 3 now. At x is equals to 3. At x is equals to 3, the function defined as 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2. So f of 3 is equals to 6 into 3 plus 2. 18 plus 2. That is 20, which is f of 3 is. Now limit x tends to 3 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 3 minus. 3 minus means x is less than 3. X less than 3, f of x is minus 2x. So this is minus 2 into 3, 6. Minus 6. Now limit x tends to 3 plus we are finding. So limit x tends to 3 plus. 3 plus means x is greater than 3. When x greater than 3, f of x is 6x plus 2. F of x is 6x plus 2. So in substitute x is equal to 3 now. 6 into 3 plus 2. 18 plus 2. This is 20. You see, left hand limit minus 6. So right hand limit 20. Equal? Those are not equal. So it is not a continuous. That means it is discontinuous. Therefore, limit x tends to 3 minus of f of x minus 6 is not equals to 20. So it is not equals to limit x tends to 3 plus of f of x. Therefore, f is discontinuous. Discontinuous. At which value? At x is equals to 3 is the answer. So that means this function is discontinuous at x is equals to 3. It is continuous at x is equals to minus 3. This is the solution. 8th question. F of x is equals to mod x by x if x is not equal to 0. It is equals to 0 if x is equals to 0. So f of 0 is equals to what? 0. We are checking the continuity at x is equals to 0 only. So f of 0 is equals to what? 0. Next, left hand limit, right hand limit we need to check, or direct limit we need to check here. Because here mod x is there. Mod x, how it is defined in mod x? It is minus x. If x is less than 0, if it is plus x, it is plus x. So if x is greater than 0, that means this function also defined for x less than 0, x greater than 0. So that we need to find left hand limit and the right hand limit. So you find now left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x. This is limit x tends to 0 minus of the function f of x is mod x by x. And this is limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means x greater than 0 or less than 0? It is less than 0. X less than 0, mod x is equals to what? Minus x. So write here minus x by x. X is get cancelled, minus 1. So this is equals to minus 1. Limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x you find out. Limit x tends to 0 plus. F of x is equals to mod x by x. Limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus. 0 plus means x is greater than 0 or less than 0? X is greater than 0. Mod x is equals to x only. So x by x. X is cancel 1. X is equals to 1. Left hand limit minus 1, right hand limit plus 1. So minus 1 is not equals to plus 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x. Therefore, f is discontinuous at x is equals to 0 is the answer. Very easy questions you see. Already in first PUC, left hand limit, right hand limit we find. So like that on this one. Very easy exercise. This from this exercise only they are asking 1 mark question and 4 mark question. 1 and 4 compulsory they are asking from this exercise only. So easy exercise you prepare well. Next, ninth question. F of x is equals to x by mod x if x is less than 0, minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. We are checking the discontinuity at x is equals to 0. For left neighborhood, right neighborhood, already they defined. At x is equals to 0, f of x is equals to what? Minus 1. So f of 0 is equals to minus 1. Next, limit x tends to 0 minus left hand limit we are finding now. F of x that is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means x is less than 0. X less than 0, this is equal f of x defined as x by mod x. This is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0 or greater than 0. X is less than 0. So x by mod x is equals to what? Minus x. X is get cancelled. So this is the limit x tends to 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. This is equals to minus 1. Next to right hand limit. That means limit x tends to 0 plus half f of x. That is limit x tends to 0 plus means x is greater than 0. F of x defined as minus 1. So it is equals to minus 1. You see, the function value is minus 1, left hand limit value is minus 1, right hand value is minus 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x is equals to f of 0. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equals to 0. This function is a continuous function. Okay. Next, 10th question. F of x is equals to x plus 1 if x less than or equal to 1. This is x square plus 1 if x is less than 1. We are checking the continuity at x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1, f of x is defined as x plus 1. So f of 1 is equals to 1 plus 1, 2. Now limit x tends to 1 minus left hand limit of f of x. Limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means x is less than 1. Then the function is defined as x plus 1. So this is 1 plus 1, 2. Next, we are checking the limit at right side. Limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. Limit x tends to 1 plus means x is greater than 1. Sorry, this is greater than 1. This is greater than only, no? Question number 10 now. Question number 10 now. This is greater than or equal to this one less than. No? Change some changes. F of x is same. F x is equals to 1. F of x plus 1. F of 1 is 2 only. F of this one 1 plus you find it now. 1 plus means x is greater than 1. X greater than 1. F of x is x plus 1. So 1 plus. So you subtract x is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 2. Now we are checking the limit at 1 minus. X is less than 1. X less than 1, f of x is equals to 1, x square plus 1. This is 1 square plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, function value 2, right hand value 2, left hand value also 2. So, limit all are equal. Limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x is equals to f of 1. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equals to 1. It is not a discontinuous, it is a continuous function only. Next question. Next, 11th question. F of x is equals to x cube minus 3, x cube minus 3 if x less than or equal to. This is x square plus 1 if x is greater than 2. We are checking the discontinuity at the x is equals to 2 point. Now, the function at x is equals to 2, the function f of x is x equals to 2, the function f of x is what? X cube minus 3. X cube minus 3. Now you find f of 2. You substitute x is equals to 2, 2 cube minus 3, 2 cube 8, 8 minus 3, 5, which is f of 2. Now, left hand limit. Left hand limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x. This is equals to limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means x is less than 2 or greater than 2? X is less than 2. X less than 2, f of x is x cube minus 3. So this is equals to 2 cube minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. Next to right hand limit. Limit x tends to 2 place of f of x. Limit x tends to 2 place. 2 place means x is greater than 2. When x is greater than 2, f of x is equals to what? X square plus 1. X square plus 1. This is equals to 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. See, function f of 2 value 5. Left hand limit 5, right hand limit 5. All are equal. So it is a continuous function. It is not a discontinuous. Therefore, the function f is continuous at x is equals to 2. At x is equals to 2. This is the solution. Next, f of 12th question. F of x is equals to x power of 10 minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1, x square if x is greater than 1. You see, we are checking the discontinuity x is equals to 1. So, at x is equals to 1, f of x defined as x power of 10 minus 1. So, f of 1 is equals to 1 power of 10 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. F of 1 is 0. Next, we need to check the left hand and right hand limits. Limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means x less than 1 or greater than 1? X is less than 1. So x less than 1, f of x is equals to what? X power of 10 minus 1. This is 1 power of 10 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Left hand limit value is 0. Next, right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 place of f of x. This is limit x tends to 1 place. 1 place means what? X is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1, f of x is x square only. X square. So this is 1 square 1. You see, left hand limit is 0, right hand limit is 1. 0 is not equals to 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x is not equals to limit x tends to 1 place of f of x. Therefore, f is discontinuous at x is equals to 1. At x is equals to 1, it is a discontinuous function. Thirteenth question. The function f of x is defined by f of x is equals to x plus y if x is greater than or less than or equals to 1. It is equals to x minus y. X is greater than 1. Is a continuous function. Is the continuous function? That is the question. That means we need to check the continuity at x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, the function defined by x plus 1, x plus 5. So f of 1 is equals to what? 1 plus 5, 6. F of 1 value is 6. Now, left hand limit. limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means x is less than 1. When x is less than 1, f of x is defined by x plus 5. This is equals to 1 plus 5 is 6. Left hand limit value is 6. Now we are finding the right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 plus. Limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. 1 plus means x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1, f of x is defined by x minus 5. Now you substitute x is equals to 1. 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 4. Here you see left hand value is 6, right hand value is minus 4. 6 is not equals to minus 4. Left hand value not equals to right hand value. Therefore, it is not a continuous. It is a discontinuous. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x is not equals to limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. Therefore, f is discontinuous at x is equals to 1 is the answer. Understood?